Hello, I am Stefanie Heil and I'm going to show you how we could use the power of AI in the procurement area in end-to-end processes such as vendor onboarding. So as you can see, we're going to update a new company name, Logic Hive, and I have entered some basic data such as the legal entity name and also, of course, the information regarding the main contact. Now we are good to go and can create the new account for the new vendor. But before I do so, let me introduce you to our end-to-end process. So as you can see, we've just started and we are in the very first task with the requester Peter Smith. Next thing that will happen in this end-to-end process is to create a new account, send it to the vendor, and then the vendor will be able to enter all the needed information. Before we might have a signing here and then later on give the responsible person, the vendor master, to check the data and either reject it or send it back to the vendor, or of course accept it so that we can save it automatically to all of our ERP systems. Let's click on next and create that new account for the company Logic Hive, represented by Hannah Khan. Now her form of course looks a bit different since she needs to enter way more information such as the products and services we offer as the new vendor, a compliance question, of course they are just sample questions, or of course we need to enter all our financial information. Since our latest releases, we are capable to integrate AI agents which can do a number of jobs for us, such as for example analyzing documents. In this case, since we offer as new software product, we need to upload an ISO certificate, and of course as the company we would like to make sure it's a valid one. So let's upload an ISO certificate and let's see what AI can do for us here. So while we upload this, I will show you the document I am going to upload here. It's that one, and even though I made the effort to bring in the correct logo, of course you can see it's not a valid ISO certificate at all. And also, of course, our agent detected that there is something wrong with this document. Either the signing is missing, which the agent stated, and also it looks a little different to what the AI agent knows from its knowledge base. So what we have done here is provide the AI agent with a particular task, checking the expiration date, the company name, so this was fine, but this certificate still not valid due to the fact that it's not signed, and also it's not a valid ISO certificate at all, which was detected by the AI agent since the AI agent has access to a valid one in its knowledge base. Of course, we could use the power of comparison also for the task with this other example, since we maybe want to or have the need to accept the code of conduct. Either we do need to accept the one of the vendor or the other way around. We might want to know if they match or not, and therefore I will upload once again a document that might not please the company. So let's have a look what I'm going to upload here. So as you can see right from the beginning, this is not a serious statement, and of course we cannot accept that as a company. Also the AI agent found a lot of difference, the confidence level is very low, and we ended up with not valid. And also now we need to accept the company's code of conduct, since this is now a mandatory field. So let's try if we can achieve better results with a proper code of conduct here. Now the result is way better, but still we don't reach the 95% I have in there as a business rule. But as a vendor, we also know now that there are a lot of similarities, so therefore we might not have that much issues to accept the code of conduct of the company. So now we are good to go and we can sign it. Now Peter got all the information he needs to establish the new business relationship. Of course, he can have a look on all the information he got from the vendor, including the documents, and then, if he is fine with all of this, he can retrieve, of course, the signed document as well here. And now we can approve this, and the process will end with transferring all the information to through the ERP systems of the company. So hopefully now you got a good insight what we could do in end-to-end processes using the power of AI. Thank you for your attention.